everybody, it's me again. I just wanted to let you know that in my shop now I have 4 different size mega planner insert kits for the shop. Well, it's in the shop. So there's 4 different sizes, and 2 are traveler's notebooks and 2 are for rings. So I'm going to show you the sizes. I didn't print everything out. I did show you a few videos ago the first set that I had already put out, and I had showed you every single one that is available. So I'll try to find that video and link it below so that you can see each insert that will be inside the mega kits. And this is just one of the previews. Each kit's going to have its own preview, but it's pretty much all the same stuff, same colors and everything, just size for the planner that it's meant for. Like this one here is the Pocket TN, which is TN stands for Traveler's Notebook, and that's the version that I had showed you first. My eye itches. So it does come with a couple of files. One would be the JPEG files, and then the other one would be PDF form, which is the one that I mostly use to print out planner inserts. I find it easier to use it that way. It's only single-sided. You have to flip it around yourself with your printer. You know, you print it however many copies, then you flip it, put it back in your printer, however way your printer works, because some, you know, are different than others. And then you can print the other side. Now it also comes with 4 covers that are just simple. Actually, the whole thing, every single one of these are just simple, plain, straight to the point kind of inserts. Nothing too fancy, just simple. And for me, I think the text is nice and dark and, you know, big, so that we can see for some of us who yeah. So anyway, this is like the preview of the whole thing, but in the shop I'll have like little sections, separate previews of just like I think 6 or whatever of each, you know, thing, so that you could see it better. Like I said, the video that I did, I actually showed every single one that is in there, like shopping list, inventory, meetups, and that kind of stuff. And again, the covers if you want to use them. And with the Traveler's Notebook inserts, I have the Pocket Traveler's Notebook, and then I made a B6 size Traveler's Notebook. Those you print and you cut around the line and stack all your papers together, staple, fold, and then cut. So you can, I would just cut the top and the bottom first, and then fold everything, staple, and then cut this part last after you folded it with a blade. That's the way I usually do my TN inserts. Let me get my feet up. Whoops, I think I broke something. So anyway, that's how the Traveler's Notebook inserts would work. And then the rings, there's pocket size rings, which is A7, and agenda size, which is A6, and those you pretty much I think that this one here is the pocket, this one that I have out here. You just cut along the outside line and the middle line, put them together this way, and then make your holes. So that's how that works. And then the sizes, as far as measurements, the pocket rings A7 is 3 1/8 by 4 3/4, and I just, you know, have samples here, but I'm like way off. I did test these out. So, and then the Pocket Traveler's Notebook is 3 1/2 by 5 1/2. So I have that, and then I'm going to stack them so you can kind of see the difference in sizes. See that? So you can kind of see the difference in size there. And then the agenda is 4 1/8 by 5 3/4. So now this one, I fixed this one. I had printed it out to test it because it's a little harder to make the calendar one, but now it's narrower, so it's not going to punch through the side there. But this is just my samples. So these were agenda A6. Sorry, that's just a reminder. 4 1/8 by 5 3/4, and you see how it's a little taller than the Pocket Traveler's Notebook, and a little wider than that, and you can see the difference between the pocket rings and that one. And then the B6, I don't think I did, let's see, no, I don't have a personal size, or which is an A5. So, but the B6 Traveler's Notebook is 5x7, and nowadays they've actually made B6 size in in rings. I don't know if the covers, I mean the inserts are the same or not, but see how, I mean, yeah, I know it's bold, but I like that. I want to see what it is. So I'll stack these all together so you can see the difference in sizes. And you can kind of see the difference in size. I use a B6 currently and a pocket rings, but I have rings coming in for the agenda, so I'm going to be testing that out. And I've already, you know, have used the pocket Traveler's Notebook, so I do like to change it up. I will not be carrying standard size, at least not yet, because I have a feeling I'm going to be switching my home, which is the standard size, into the B6, and then maybe using these two sizes. I don't know, but right now these are the only sizes that I have. I can't tell you if I'll carry any other sizes. I don't know. I might never. But the link to the shop will be down below, and you can find them there. So they are mega bundles. You cannot separate these. You can't buy them separately. I mean, I just made a whole bunch and bundle it up for one fair price, I think. And I will be, you know, I'm going to be making some more planners, so I will be using my own inserts for these. And yeah, so that's what's in the shop right now. I guess that's it. That's all that I have for you today. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.